Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this episode of live scholarship form, we'll show the process for the Azerbaijan scholarship at Khazar University. So this scholarship is open for undergraduate, masters, and PhD for international students. We'll show the full process for this in detailed application process. How do you apply? Before that, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you are new here for the first time, please do subscribe. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. Do also follow us on Instagram. Our username is Full Scholarships. All the scholarships are posted here, and the link for this Azerbaijan scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links will be given in the respective description of each of the scholarship videos. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com. And on Instagram post description, you can see the website link is also given there, or you can directly message our team and ask for the link. Meanwhile, you can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net through Google search, and once you land on our page here, you can apply for this Khazar University Azerbaijan scholarship for UG, Masters, and PhD. So here are some details about this. Host country is Azerbaijan, and degree level that you could apply is Bachelors, Masters, and PhD. Nationalities that can apply almost all international students, and number of scholarships are around 100 grants of each subject, or you can say each level, and multiple academic fields are there. And host university is Khazar University, and scholarship coverage is fully funded and partially funded. Both options are there. Funding includes tuition, stipend, airfare, insurance, and visa support. And deadline to apply for this opportunity is June 30th, 2026. So this university at Azerbaijan is seeking international students to apply for the affordable and fully funded study opportunities. For the session 2026-2027, these waivers will be provided, and you can apply for these bachelor's, master's, and PhD different subjects like engineering, information technology, business administration, international relations, CS, social sciences, research-based postgraduate programs, and management studies. So vast subjects are there. Inside them are the specializations that you can apply as well. Benefits we already discussed here, and besides that, you can apply for the Azerbaijan government scholarship. If there is a deadline for your country open right now, you can apply for that scholarship as well separately. And in this, you need to demonstrate like excellent English proficiency, strong leadership skills, and high academic achievements as well. Eligible nationalities, you can see OIC countries and non-aligned movement countries, small island developing states, countries with historical or cultural ties with Azerbaijan, and other eligible international applicants. So documentation and eligibility criteria will be: you must hold an admission at the Khazar University to apply for the scholarship, and or you can directly apply for the scholarships or directly apply for the admissions first and then apply for scholarships. Both options are eligible here. So hold relevant, you can say, previous education qualifications. For example, if you wish to apply for the master's, should have the relevant bachelor's, and for PhD should have relevant master's, and for the bachelor's should have relevant high school information. Then the procedure for this and the required documentation will be: you need to submit the academic transcripts, degree certificate, passport copy, and English proficiency proof, or you can say medium of instruction that you have completed previous education in English language. Besides this, you need to have the motivation letter, or you can say essay, then recommendation letters or reference letters, then the research proposals for the graduate programs. Like for the PhD, you need to have the research proposal and the updated CV or resume. Now, how do you apply? Simply select in program, and we'll show the process here. Why study in Azerbaijan? This is the affordable country and one of the bestest country, you can say, by the AQI wise or by other metrics. This is the best country where you will be involved in the cultural diversity, and international student related support will be provided. And this is one of the most preferred international destinations by international students, so that they live healthy life besides having their research and academics. Now, how do you apply? Scroll down and then you can see click here to apply. Click on this button here, and once you click on that, you can see the International Affairs Office of the Khazar University official website. This is the scholarships page here, and how to apply for the scholarships and how to apply for the admissions. They have given how to apply section here. You can click on this directly, and you can see find your program. You can find the checklist of the programs, or you can directly fill out the application form here. So we'll first fill the application form. Click on this apply button here, and you can see the application process. Let me go back one step and let's read this here. So applications are submitted directly to interested office through application form. Along with your required documents, you need to submit full application and your documents. Make sure you indicate a clear subject line at this document name. So we'll see what's the process here. And if you after you accept Khazar University offer at the offer of admission by law, you must get registered at this portal here, a government system that keeps record of international students. Okay, the deadline for registering portal is September 2026. So once we get offer from the university, we accept the offer, then we have to submit some details for the government process. So that's the secondary part. First we need to click on this apply form here so that we fill the form. So they have simply kept a basic Google form. This is one of the bestest thing I see. And in order to submit your application and for it to be considered a non-refundable application fee of $25 is to be paid here. And the tuition fees, every detail is mentioned here. So let's continue here, and we already signed in here. So now let's start with the title and first name, or you can say full name here. After that, let me just keep it as, then select the gender, then select the date of birth here. This date of birth should be reflecting the passport credentials so that you don't face any issues later on while you are having interview or the while you are applying for the visa. Country of birth, you mention that here. Your legal nationality, you mention that here. Then do you hold Azerbaijani citizenship or permanent residence? So no, we do not. Country of residence, and now you have to upload a international passport here. So simple basic passport that you have to upload. I'll just select that. And now we can see, have you previously studied at this university? So no, we have not. Now click on the next here. So now select the country. Yeah, this is the contact information. Select the postcode here and enter the address, then address line 2 and your city, then phone number, and then your email address, and then click on next. Now choose the program information, which degree would you like to study. I'll go with the basic bachelor's here. Now same form is the for masters and PhD, just there's a documentation submission difference. Program I'll select, I'll go with the BS in the computer science here. You can choose any of the preferred subjects. Now I'll submit the secondary school certificate here, or simply I'll upload here. Now I have selected that here, and now I'll upload the academic transcripts of my high school. So there is a difference in nomenclature in Asian countries and some other countries. High school sometimes refers to plus 12 as well, or you can say class 10. But you should clearly be clear here that you don't submit wrong documents. Now SOP, and SOP must be clear. So if you want our premium services, you can ask our team to write one for you. And if you don't know how to make a CV, for example, for Europe, you need to submit a Europass CV, and for normals, you can use the simple latex CV. Now, medical examination report, this must be attested from your government hospital, having basic tests which must be attested here, and you submit that. Now, if you IELTS, TOEFL, you can submit that. I'll just skip and submit the meaning of instruction as an English language previously. Now I'll click on next button here, and you can see application fee you have to pay through this beneficiary account name, the branch, SWIFT code, and the account number here. Now you once you pay the fee through the SWIFT, or you can say the online bank transfer, then you have to get the receipt and upload that receipt here. It is mandatory. Now click on next. How did you find about this course? You can say social media. uh, Funding info, how will you fund your studies? So now you have to mention any of the scholarships that you wish to apply. So I'll just select this scholarship here. You can submit intergovernmental grant as well, but we'll submit this. You have to later, once you get offer, then you have to apply for this scholarship. So now confirm this and click on submit. You can review the information as well, go back and check information, because there won't be any PDF generated before submission, or for the preview purpose there won't be any PDF. So you have to cross check information while you submit, because this is just a basic Google form they have kept here. This is one in one admission cum scholarship form you have to just mention. Now you can see our response has been recorded, and that's the simple process. Maybe there will be a email from them like submission. As of now we have not received. Let me go to spam. Nothing there yet. Okay, so that's it. Simple process. That was the process here. Let me again go to this step here. In case you have any confusions, ask us in the comment section below. Or you can see this scholarship grant can be also applied to this. How to apply? This is the government scholarship that we already have discussed one of the videos. You can watch that. And in case you have any doubts regarding this, write us. Once you get offer letter, once you accept the offer, you have to then go to this portal.edu.az. There you have to register as an international student while having mentioning the offer from the Khazar University or whatever it is. This is required for all international students. So you can see passport for foreign citizens. You have to just log in here and simply submit your credentials that you will be studying in the Azerbaijan. That's the simple process. I hope you enjoyed this session. You have doubts, anyway, just ask us on Instagram directly. Write this message there. Our team will assist you, and you can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net. You can contact us from here as well, and do share this link with your friends so that they can apply for the particular opportunity. I am signing off for Full Scholarships. Please subscribe and like this video, and visit our website fullscholarships.net. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.